Hey.
How are you today?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Oh my god, what happened to this car?
A little bit of an accident, huh? It's a bit more serious than Tubi, I think.
Yeah. Yeah. Salam, Omar. Oh, engine. Okay. Okay. Oh, nice. Oh. Salam TV crew! Today is another day. It was quite exciting. We so decided was driving this one. When we got here, we found another new things. They put up the another wall, and you can see the Tubi shape right now. Pretty good. Inside of the roof, there's a little bit the wood piece left, but I think Omar is working on the fiberglass, and after that they are gonna take down because it can hold the shape by itself. And the other thing is that they trimmed off the front area too. The fiberglass like sheet is just like a square shape, so they trimmed it off too. And the other thing I found that they are checking kind of shape a little bit from the outside, and then the passenger seat side, the roll bar they cut. So I don't know what is going on, but I think they're working on the adjustment. Okay guys, it is a few hours later and Omar is almost like done with the sidewall. It will be done I think today. It's awesome. Now the hard part will be the front and the back. It will be tough challenge. So we saw that like a roll bar is cut up and then other parts should be adjusted, and yeah, I don't know. Okay, another it's height. What? That's another van. Huh. Okay, we just saw the another Volkswagen van. Inside is checking up. It's a really nice van too. It's every day is like looking at the new style and painting van is interesting. Yeah, I think this area is like a Volkswagen van garage. All right, I think 90% of the work is done for the sidewall, and I can see that the way they cut the roll bar, I'm sure that there's kind of problem with the making balance too. Yeah, we're gonna see, and then today's we're gonna leave them to work because we don't want to interrupt them that much. Salam TV crew, good morning. We just got into side garage and Omar is working on right now. He's working on the fiberglass. He's gonna grinding it, so I'm gonna beg a little bit more because fiberglass dust is really fine. So right, Omar is working the fiberglass. It is for the back. So that is the from the donor roof inner layer. We just saw that he was making a template and he's cutting right now. Alright, if this video is the first video you are watching, I'm Lucy, Mark is over there. We brought our Korean van from Korea, Russia and Mongolia, now in Morocco. So we travel with our small tiny van. We decide to make the high roof in Morocco. If you want to watch more videos and episodes and previous travels, please click the subscribe button. So anyways, let's jump in today's build again. He's covering with the fiberglass right now. I feel so bad for him, but Mark is so familiar with fiberglass. I'm sure that he can survive. Your legs are covering by fiberglass right now.
Love fiberglass.
잘 먹는다. Okay, guys, they're working on the fiberglass, and I just tried to be a little bit farther from the working. And then it's really hot. Like Morocco sun is really burning hot, so I was kind of underneath of the shade and looking at the cage because there's the chicken pigeon cage. You're gonna see here. This one. Oh. So when I was watching them inside, I came over and then fed them the food, and I think they just finished few crumbs left. So you see this little one keep getting bullied, feel quite bad, but keep eating though. Survivor, huh? You are brave too, huh? Hey, they get familiar with me, so they're not afraid of me anymore. Okay, we have a hiccup. They were cutting the fiberglass, but the grinder is broken now. So until they fix the grinder, we cannot work on the fiberglass. So Omar inside are inside of the Tubi, and they're fixing grinder. So hopefully they can fix it. Yeah, until then, the work will be a little bit paused. But yeah. Anyways, this is Morocco. They can fix everything. Everything is fixable, so I believe them.
I think they got it. They changed the bearing.
Oh wow.
The bearing broke.
Oh wow. They said in Morocco everything is fixable. Time to do cutting because they fixed grinder. I mean, I just said that like everything is fixable in Morocco, but yeah, they pick apart and they change the old bearing. Yeah, this is in Morocco. I love about it. Everything is fixable. Grinder fixed, and they work on the back side of the high roof. I can see it's really nice cut. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that one. Oh my god, now I can see the weird like Tubi, you know? Like before it was like back was open, so we always see the side one to picture how Tubi will turn out. But looking at the back, I can see clearly. It's so nice. Back is almost done. I love it.
I see that he prepped this whole surface, so he's gonna fiberglass the whole thing.
قال لي كيف شفتك حكيتي هنايا لداخل كامله وقال لك واش غادي دير عليه الفوفه كامله
حيت يدير واحد البنده هكا
فهمات هو في السماء
ياك وهذيك الحديده اللي يدير هو هنا يدير بهذا كنسيدوها بهذا.
Then today we'll finish today. And we'll come back tomorrow.
اوكي
And start filming again tomorrow.
اوكي جريت
And at that time, I told him, okay, well, whatever you think is best, you do. Can we shake on it? All right.
So everything is good? Ça va bien? Ça va bien?
Always fine.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, there was like guys were talking each other, and I knew so we are gonna take off. And actually there were kind of like a misunderstanding between Mark and Sahid when they went to the junkyard for getting a donor roof. So there's a kind of price went to differences. Eamon is driving!
Let's go.
Oh wow! Eamon is driving. Nice.
You want to take it to our house?
Wow! Oh, cool! Yeah, it's the first time! Oh, Eamon, are you a good driver?
I feel like a king back here.
Yeah, right. Now we are in the Eamon's truck, so we just jump on. Yeah, there was a miscommunication, but everything is solved, and then yeah, everyone is happy, and then we are happy too. We are riding like a queen. I'm queen, you're king.
Where did harder?
What? Ah, gotcha. Got it.
Thank you, buddy.
Okay.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Bye.
Ready? Let's go.
그는 너무 쉽게 왔네.
Yeah.
너무 편하게 왔네.
We can go either way. Maybe this way is better. Okay, here you go.
Thank you for watching our videos. If you jump in our video first time, just click the subscribe and you are gonna see more episodes. And I want to say thank you to all the Patreon members and memberships and supporting us through the PayPal too. And if you guys didn't help us, we couldn't reach this far. But thank you for watching. If you guys curious something and questions, leave the comment below and see you next episode. Bye.